Hey, beautiful souls, it's Empress Shay. Welcome back to the Jupiter Retrograde in Cancer Healing Portal, a 30-day journey of emotional wisdom, ancestral release, intuitive awakening, and soul-level rebirth. Each day, we're moving deeper into alignment, deeper into clarity, and deeper into the truth of who we are becoming. Let today's message meet you where you are, hold you with grace, and guide you with love. Let's flow. Day 28, Trusting Support. The theme is safety, interdependence, and emotional trust. For many, support has felt conditional, unreliable, or unsafe. You may have learned to rely only on yourself, not because you wanted to, but because you had to. Jupiter retrograde in Cancer gently re-educates your emotional body around support. This lesson is not about dependence. It's about discerned interdependent. It's learning that support can exist without strings, guilt, or loss of autonomy. Trusting support means allowing yourself to lean without collapsing, or receive without fear, and to believe that help can meet you without harm. You are no longer proving your strength by doing everything alone. You are honoring your growth by allowing support to exist. Day 28 of Jupiter retrograde in Cancer Healing Portal focuses on rebuilding trust in support after healing guilt around receiving. This lesson invites you to soften into emotional safety and allow help, care, and presence to meet you without fear. Jupiter retrograde in Cancer supports the release of hyper independence and strengthens your ability to trust safe, aligned support. This message is for anyone healing trust wounds, learning independence, and reclaiming emotional security. And friends, before you go, take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support truly helps this healing space reach the souls who it was meant to find. I also want to remind you of the weekly tarot readings for the collective on my channel, Healing Energies with Empress Shay. Our collective energy reading drops every Thursday, where we look in at the overall energy of the collective along with current planetary alignments, so you receive a full picture of what the stars are activating and how the energy is showing up in your life. And on Saturdays, I release the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer reading, which focuses on deeper emotional internal shifts happening during this retrograde. Make sure your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss the message meant for you. And we're in the last few days of the holiday readings, and these are more than just readings. They are personal keepsakes. You'll receive a video reading that outlines the first 90 days of your new year. And you get to choose your focus: personal, career, or relationship. So right now my website is temporarily down, so you'll have to contact me via my Instagram. And that's Empress Shay 5. That's EMPR.ESSSHEY 5. And we'll move forward from there. There's been an incredible response, but I'm still at about 2 to 3 days turnaround. And I'm accepting orders all the way up until the 31st. Okay, and one more thing, on the 31st, I will have a healing portal. So this month, there's a 31-day healing portal. So just to let you know that will be going forward. And we will take that forward all the way until Jupiter Retrograde ends on March 10th. This portal has always been deeply connected to Jupiter Retrograde in Cancer, which is the primary energy of that grand water trine. Activating your 4th house of home, family, and emotional roots, and inner security. Because Jupiter is retrograde, the work is internal, reflective, and transformative. So stay with the process. Trust what's surfacing and honor the healing happening beneath the surface. Thank you for being here, and thank you for flowing with me today, beautiful souls. As the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer continues to open and cleanse our emotional world, remember, your healing is your power, your clarity is your protection, and your softness is your strength. Take what resonates, release what doesn't, and keep moving gently towards your rebirth. I'll meet you again tomorrow as we rise, align, and evolve, one day at a time. Stay grounded, stay open, and stay divine. This has been Empress Shay. Have yourself a wonderful rest of your day.